I am back to share with you this vintage antique dry rotted love seat. I got out my sewing kit to fix this and I realized there's not enough material here to sew anything. So I'm going to be trying our fabric mending and repair on this dry rotted piece of cotton pants. This fabric is totally dry rotted. These areas aren't dry yet, so I'm going to just do this area, show you what that looks like. Now let me show you what's happening over here. So you can see here, this was all down to the cotton stuffing. No fabric here, even though I brought along my needle and thread to sew it up. There was not enough material there that was stable enough to even sew. So I could have put a patch underneath, but I wanted to show you how easy you can use this new product we have coming out. It ain't available yet, but it won't be long. It is a clear product that's went over this fabric. It's actually kind of mended and bonded this together. So if you have some dry rotted pieces out there, don't throw them away. Putting on, again, Mediterranean. I'm going to be taking the surface prep wipes, which makes this process work. Removing all of the actual paint from the surface and just leaving the color behind. You just brush it on. I'm going right over that damage. So you want to see right here where this whole fabric was just threadbare down to the cotton. Don't know what it's going to do. So stay with me here. Quick coat. You're not trying to paint this and get down in all the surface. Just remember that. Even the welt here on this sofa was completely threadbare down to nothing and totally ragged. But make sure that you test it on a hidden area and just try out the process. Then you can roll. You know, once you know that you are like me and you're just ignited and I'm walking around here looking for stuff to paint. So y'all be, I'm just like you. I hear y'all say that all the time. I'm always looking for projects. All right, I'll let y'all be the judge. This was a goner. There's no doubt in my mind. This would have been sitting right over here and down in Dixie Highway in the landfill. So I hear myself saying all this thinking y'all aren't never going to be doing this. But the truth of the matter is, you might just be doing it. You might be like me, seeing a lot of old pieces around that you see dirt cheap in Restore and Goodwill and on the side of the road that you would think, well, that's pretty, but there's no way I'm going to recover it. I'm not going to spend the money, time, labor, whatever. You can do it, and you can make something quite beautiful out of it, and I hope you love this as much as I do. And I know if you're artsy out there, it's so pretty. It just looks like Monet kind of a piece, that kind of a feeling of a Van Gogh or something. I just love the feeling that it has about it. I hope you try it out there. Let me know what you think. All right, I'll see y'all later.